Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to set an image icon for your module in Odoo 18. So here you can see that the icon currently is visible by default, which is given by Odoo. So we just need to give an icon for our module. So while giving an icon for the module, we have to first create a directory called static. In order to create the directory, let's move on to the PyCharm and you can choose project, and under Odoo 18, you can find the custom directory under which you can find the college ERP. So we are just dealing with the college ERP. So let me choose that directory over here. And again, let's click on right button of your mouse and let's move on to the new and choose the directory over here. First, we have to create a directory called static. So I'll be creating the directory static over here. Afterwards, within this directory, we have to create another directory called description. So you can just choose this directory and click on right button of your mouse and let's move on to new. And again, choose the directory where you can just provide the directory name as description. Okay. So once the directory is created, inside this directory we will be adding the icon. So while we want to add the icon, the image must have the extension .png, which is mandatory. Now let's move on to the uh yeah s- s- files over here, and under the files I'll be moving to the downloads where you can search for the icon. So here you can see icon.png. So let me just copy the name. So you can just copy by using Control C, and let's again back to the PyCharm, and you can select the directory over here and let's paste that. So use Control V in order to paste. So here you can see that we are just going to copy this, and you can find the name of the icon, that is icon.png, and you can find all other details. It's under the directory, and click on OK so that the item will be added under under the directory. So as you just move on to here, you can see the it's been added, and we just need to rent the file. So as I just rent the file, you can see it's been loaded, and let's move on to the uh, DB of Odoo and let's upgrade that. Okay. So as I just upgrade the module here, you can see that the icon will be updated over here. And you can see we have easily updated that. So as you just move on to the module info, you can see that we have added the image icon for our module. So that's all about adding off the image icon in the module. So we will be discussing how to create a model in Odoo 18 in the upcoming video.